Well, taking a look out in the tropics, we now have potential tropical system 18. The next name on the list is Raphael, and it is likely the system will get that name. Now, sustained winds of 35 miles per hour, so you may think, why is it not a tropical depression? Well, the reasoning is it's not just organized enough for there to be that categorization, but it will get better organized over the next couple of days. And as of right now, we already have some warnings in place for Jamaica. Now, you will notice this system is expected to get its act together and strengthen into a hurricane as it passes near Cuba as we head towards the midweek. And then you will notice it is expected to weaken as it works its way through the Gulf of Mexico. That's where it's going to encounter some unfavorable conditions like some high shear, which will break down the storm, cause it to lose organization, as well as dry air. Remember, tropical systems need lots of moisture, so that dry air will cause it to weaken. And you will notice the cone is expected through the central Gulf. Southwest Florida is out of the cone, but that doesn't mean we won't feel any impacts. We are still expected to have an increase in moisture because of this system. Now, you will notice some models do have a consistency with keeping this in the Gulf of Mexico, but I do want to point out, let's say the system ends up tracking more so towards the western edge of this. That'll mean less rainfall for us, less wind for us, but if it does track on the eastern side, we will see some better rain chances, some more widespread coverage, some stronger winds pushing through, and maybe even the potential for some severe weather. But this is what we're currently thinking. Now, we still have a while to go because we need this system to actually get organized for us to have a better idea of where it is actually going to be tracking and the intensity of it. But as of right now, it is expected to get the name of Raphael. The storm will encounter unfavorable conditions as it works its way through the Gulf. And for Southwest Florida, we can expect some decent rain chances as we head into the midweek, as well as breezy conditions because of this system. But as of right now, all is dry and quiet on Wink Live Doppler 3X, 3 times more accurate radar. Temperatures mild in the 70s and 80s. It has been a gorgeous day to get outside. Just been a warm one for us as temperatures topped out in the upper 80s when we should be in the low 80s for this time of the year. Dew points a lot more comfortable compared to 24 hours ago, as they're currently sitting in the mid 60s for most of us. Winds coming in from the east-northeast around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now, as we look ahead to the late evening, could see a stray shower or two, but that's about it. As we head into the start of our Monday, early morning going to be dry, but then as we head into the late morning, we'll see a few showers impacting our far interior sections, and we'll see some isolated showers moving through as we head into the early afternoon, and things should be dry by the time we head into the late afternoon and early evening hours, as those showers will have pushed offshore by that point. Temperatures will be starting off mid to upper 60s, and then eventually they will be warming once again into the upper 80s. So we're expecting another warmer than average day, and we will keep those temperatures on the warmer side through the majority of the week. And take a look at this as we head into the next one. Temperatures will remain in the upper 80s.